So here is how you can change the hotspot name on your iPhone. So whenever you are sharing the internet from your device, it appears as a network on others. And here's how you can customize the name of this. Because inside of the personal hotspot settings, you don't really have any setting for the name because the name of your iPhone will be used as the name of the entire network. So you can change the name of your device inside of the settings on your iPhone, then head over to the general section, and in the about, you have the name of your iPhone. So in there, you can customize it and change it to be whatever you want. So yeah, keep in mind that this is also going to be displayed in other places as well, but one of those is also the Wi-Fi network. So when you change the name of your iPhone in here, this is how the Wi-Fi network is going to appear on other people's devices whenever you are sharing it through personal hotspot. So it's really that simple. There isn't much what you can do else without it. So yeah, I'm not gonna make the video any longer than it needs to be. So I just said essentially everything I wanted. So if you like this type of videos, go ahead and subscribe below for more content. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, and I'm gonna catch you later on in the next one.